Hey California Ford owners, here are the top 5 problems that led many California Ford owners to file lemon law cases in 2024. Number 1, rear view camera failures, frozen, black, or distorted backup images, especially in F-150 and Maverick models. Number 2, harsh or delayed shifting in 10-speed transmissions. Owners report abrupt gear changes or delays that persist even after service visits. Number 3, sudden downshifts while driving. Some reports indicate F-150s unexpectedly dropping into a lower gear at highway speeds, creating a potential loss of control scenario. Number 4, infotainment sync glitches. Screen freezes, delayed response, or backup camera image faults tied to APIM software failures. Number 5, multiple repair attempts triggering lemon law rights. Under California's lemon law, when defects that impair safety, use, or value persist after a reasonable number of repair attempts, owners may qualify for a remedy. When defects like these persist after multiple repair attempts and impair use, value, or safety, California's lemon law offers buyback, replacement, or cash compensation. If you believe you may have a claim, visit lemonlawhelp.com or call 833-2088-181 and get your vehicle evaluated.